Power BI, Data Modeling and Visualizations. Data Modeling and Visualizations. When you launch Power BI, the Getting Started dialog box will appear, which provides useful links to forums, blogs, and introductory videos. In Power BI Desktop, you will begin to build reports in the Report view. You will be working in 5 main areas. 1. Ribbon displays common tasks that are associated with reports and visualizations. 2. Report view, or canvas, where visualizations are created and arranged. The data view allows you to view all of your data available in your report. This is an easy way to quickly check data types and validate data. The model view allows you to visually set the relationship between tables or elements. A relationship is where 2 or more tables are linked together because they contain related data. This enables users to run queries for related data across multiple tables. 3. Pages tab located along the bottom of the page. This area is where you would select or add a report page. 4. Visualizations pane, where you can change visualizations, customize colors or axes, apply filters, drag fields, and more. 5. Fields pane, where query elements and filters can be dragged onto the report view or dragged to the filters area of the visualizations pane.
Types of visualizations available in Power BI. Now we will present some of the many different types of visualizations that can be added to Power BI reports, specified and pinned to dashboards. Area charts, basic, layered and stacked. The basic area chart is based on the line chart with the area between the axis and line filled in. Bar and column charts. Bar charts are the standard for looking at a specific value across different categories. Donut charts. Donut charts are similar to pie charts. They show the relationship of parts to a whole. Gauge charts. Displays current status in the context of a goal. KPIs. Displays progress toward a measurable goal. Line charts emphasize the overall shape of an entire series of values, usually over time. Maps, basic maps, used to associate both categorical and quantitative information with spatial locations. Tree maps are charts of colored rectangles, with size representing value. They can be hierarchical, with rectangles nested within the main rectangles. Waterfall charts. Waterfall charts show a running total as values are added or subtracted. These are some of the out-of-the-box Power BI visuals available from the visualization pane in Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. However, sometimes you need a more custom visual, and these can be found in AppSource for Power BI.
An interesting feature of Power BI is the interactivity. When you click on any part of one graph, the other graphs will highlight the results from the item or data that you clicked in the first graph. It is all linked. In the next video, we will learn how to get data into Power BI, and we will start to build some visualizations. See you soon. Bye.